Hello everyone, welcome to an update on gold just before non-farm payroll. So hopefully you're watching this before. Just done the VIP update. They always come first, I'm afraid. So hopefully I can get this up on YouTube in time or posted in the free Telegram channel. Links will be in the video description below if you want to go and check them all out. Now you can see we've come up to the all-time high here. Let's focus on this bit over here first. You got the accumulation, fake out to the upside, took the all-time high once again, impulse moved down, retraced to that concentrated area, then gave you that continuation down. So that's why this is a concentrated area over here. Now you look on this price action and you can see we've come up to that area, taken this high, and we had this labelled up as the highest point of reversal in the weekly forecast. You can see here we had the consolidation, few fake out moves to the downside. We're just building up liquidity here. Now we've gone up, retested that area for the first time, and you're seeing that bearish move already start. Now you have the non-farm payroll about to be released, so that's an increase in volume. It could either go down from here, because it's already retested that area, so you'd have to gamble that you get an instant push to the downside if you wanted to get into that move, or you wait and risk it for that little push up to take this high, then you get the downwards move, the reversal, because they're still in that concentrated area of reversal. Let's just change the colour of that. Now this could be a big downwards move. The first area I would be I am targeting is this low over here. So you got relative double bottoms, triple bottoms, and that is visible on the 4-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame here. So you can see these candles here are nearly exactly the same. Then you got this one here to make it a bit more obvious what they're targeting. So this is done normally on high impact news days when they need a target for the algorithm or whatever you want to call it. It's used for people or the computer to target these areas. So that is clear liquidity in time for the non-farm payroll. So that is what I'm seeing with the non-farm payroll. It's in a big concentrated area of manipulation. You have the high impact news, so you have the volume. So what it would make sense if you was a big institution that all week you've made price go up to your main sell area over here. So this is your main sell area, and this concentrated area is where your sell orders are. All week you've been bringing price up slowly while taking liquidity and inputting sell orders in this area. So let's say they've been selling here but also hedging them to keep them in profit, so they've still got their sell orders in the market. Now they have to do this because they've got billions of dollars going into the market, so they just can't enter a buy or sell at one level. They have to carefully input them into the market within a manipulation area, and that's what manipulation areas are. That's when you can see it on a chart where they've clearly put these orders into the market. Now we've had the last fake out, so this would be the last area where they would input into the market, and because you're expected to have high volume at this time, that's when they will close the buy orders and then release it, so they're favouring the sell direction. So the end result would be they're in sales from over here and they're in sales from here to favour a clear continuation down. And that downwards move has the potential to clear all of this liquidity here and target a new low. And that's what I'm seeing at the moment. And it all comes down to this crucial time of one news event, one time a day for the volume to be kicked in, and that's non-farm payroll. We had similar things yesterday with US 30. It came up to, let's just look at US 30. So that's the weekly forecast done. So this is yesterday on US 30. It comes up to a concentrated area, which is here. Let me just take off the period separators. Concentrated area, same setup. You've got the fake out to the upside, clears the high, and then the impulse moves down. So when price comes back up to that, it retests that area. This was with the interest rate news. Retest that area, impulse move down, create liquidity, comes up, and that retested the interest rate news level. So they're piling up their sell orders, and then they released the volume towards the downside, and this was with the New York session, the New York opening, and then we got that continuation down. So they're just releasing that volume towards the downside, and that's the same thing as what you're expecting on gold today. So hopefully it brings you some profit. Hopefully all that helps. Feel free to message me. Check out links in the video description. Take care and have a good day and good weekend.